Hello students, this is your Shiva and you are watching Shiva's Max Library. In this video, we are going to learn the exercise 1.2 question number 1. Okay, so before starting this question number 1, they have given that on a graph sheet, mark the x and y axis along with the origin, and we are supposed to mark 2 points on the x axis and 2 points on the y axis. Okay, then we have to solve the given question, and the given question is: place Ryan's rectangular steady table with three of its feet at the points 8, 9, 11, 9 and 11, 7. Okay, so before starting this problem, first of all we need to draw the graph, because to solve this problem either you can use your graph sheet, otherwise you can find the answer directly from the given diagram. Okay, so since they ask us to draw the graph, okay, that is x and y axis, here we are supposed to draw it first. Okay, so let's draw the coordinates here, and also the points that they have given. Okay, so this is going to be the origin: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and here it's going to be -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 and -10. Here it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and similarly -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 and -10. Okay, so now let's plot the points in the x and y axis. First point is -7 comma 0, so it's going to be here. What this is our 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so our -7 is -7 comma 0 is located here, and our next point is 13 comma 0. 13 comma 0 should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 13 comma 0 is located here. Okay, and the next two points are 0 comma 12 and 0 comma -15. So let's assume that 0 comma 12 is here and 0 comma -15 is somewhere here. Okay, now we'll move on to the first question, and our question is: place Ryan's rectangular table with the three of its feet at the points 8, 9, 11, 9 and 11, 7. So look at this diagram. Okay, so here you know that this is our origin. Okay, and this is positive side of x axis, and this negative side of y x axis, and this positive side of y axis. So the given 3 points are the feet of the rectangular steady table of Ryan's room. Okay, so for the first feet is at the point x 8 comma 9. So here is our 8, and if you look at y axis, 9 is located here. Okay, so these are 9, so the point 8 comma 9 is located at this point. Okay, and the next point is 11 comma 9 similarly. So these are 8, so 9 9 10 11, here it is. Okay, this is our next point 11 comma 9, and the next one is 11 comma 7. So the same 11 with y coordinate as 7, so this is our 11 comma 7. So this is 8 comma 9, 11 comma 9 and 11 comma 7. Okay, so they are saying that it's a feet of the rectangular steady table, right? If I connect these three dots, are we getting a rectangle shape here? No, since we are having only three dots, we can able to draw a triangle. So to make it as a rectangle, you know that we have to extend it parallel to the next two sides. If we are doing so, we will get a rectangular. So this point of intersection is assumed to be the fourth feet. Okay, and what about this point? This point is nothing but in x-axis it's in the coordinate 8, and in y-axis it's in the coordinate 7. So this coordinate is going to be 8 comma 7. So that would be our first question. See, where will be the fourth feet of the table be? So for the first one, the answer is going to be 8 comma 7, because the fourth feet is located at the point 8 comma 7. So answer for our first question is, okay, let's erase this part first. So this is not required. Okay, so our answer for the question number one, first part is, where will be the fourth feet? So fourth foot of the table is equals to 8 comma 7. And now the second one, is this a good spot for the table? Yes, look at these Rayan's room. Here Rayan's bed is there, wardrobe is here, and door is located at the point D1R1. So this position is much better because it's near to his bed, so it's comfortable position for him to study. Okay, so this is a good spot for the table. So yes, it's a good spot. Okay, and the third one is, what is the width of the table and the length? Can you make the height, can you make out the height of the table? So three questions are there. Let's go through one by one. So the first question is width of the table. Actually, width of the table is nothing but we have to find this area, right? So you know that. So to find the width of this table, either you can find, since this is a rectangle, we will assume that this is going to be our, okay, so first let's draw the rectangular table again here. Okay, and the coordinates are 8 comma 7, 11 comma 7, and 11 comma 9, and 8 comma 9. Okay, so to find the length, so let us assume that this is our length and this is our breadth. Okay, so breadth or width of the table is equals to, so to find the width of the table, we are supposed to subtract the 2. So here width of the table is going to be 9 minus 7, which is 2 centimeter, and length of the table is going to be, so to find the length of the table, we are going to consider these 2 points. The points are 8 comma 7 and 11 comma 7, where our x coordinate is the matter. So the x coordinates are 11 and 8. So 11 minus 8, which is equals to 3 centimeter. And finally, they ask us to find out the height of the table. So is that possible to height of the table here? Since it's a three-dimensional, or since it's not a three-dimensional object, we can able to find a three-dimensional object. If it is a cuboid, we can able to find the height. Since it's a rectangle, there is only length and breadth, there is no height. So which means it is not possible. So it is not possible to find the height of the table. To find the height of the table. So that's all about this first problem. Let's see in the next video with the solution for the second question.